Hello friends, today we'll be talking about table part 3. So the first one is insert rows and columns. The second one is delete rows and columns. The third one is merge cells. The fourth one is split cells. And the fifth one is split table. So let's go to the next page. This is a table. The first one is insert rows and columns. So if we want to insert a row, first of all, we have to move our cursor here, and when we move our cursor here, we can see this plus sign. So just we have to click here. So a row will be inserted like this. The next one is if we want to insert columns, we have to move our cursor next to the column, and we can see this plus sign. So we have to click this. So a row and column is inserted. So this is the first method. I will undo it. The second method is we have to place our cursor here, and we have to go to the layout. Then you can see here insert above. So a row will be inserted above like this. If I want to insert one more row just above the employee ID, so I have to place my cursor here, and we have to say insert above. So in this way a row will be inserted. So let's remove the color, then it will be clearly visible. So as you can see here, there is a one more row inserted above the employee ID. The next one is how to insert columns. Suppose we want to insert one more column just below this rhombo at the end of the table. So we have to place our cursor here and insert below. So we will undo, we will to come back. Okay, the third method is to insert rows and columns is we can right click here. Suppose we want to insert one more row here, so we have to place our cursor here, insert, right click here and say insert rows above. If we want to insert one more row just below this gracia, we have to place our cursor here, right click, insert rows below. So in this way we can insert rows and columns. So I will undo. The next one is delete rows and columns. If we want to delete a row, let's say we want to delete this A782. So we place our cursor here, we go to layout and click this delete command and say delete rows. So row is deleted. Next one is if we want to delete a column, this name column. So we place our cursor here and go to delete and say delete columns. So rows and columns will be deleted. And if I click delete table, a table will be deleted. And the third option is right click. If we want to delete a particular row, so right click there where you want to delete and click delete cells and say delete entire row. And if I want to delete a column, let's say I want to delete this age column. So first of all I will right click here and say delete cells and say delete entire column. So in this way row and columns are deleted. So I will undo it to come back again. And the next one is merge cells. What is called merge cells? Let's say merge cells means to combine two or more cells into a single cell. First of all we insert one more row here, insert above. So first of all we will select this cells and we click merge cells. So in this way cells will be merged. So we can write a name here. So I can give a name here, students details. So this way we can write our name. We can give the title. The next one is called split cells. Split cells means to divide the cell into a number of rows and columns. Let's say we want to divide this cell into a number of rows and columns. So we click here and say split cells. And how many columns? Let's say 3 columns and we want 2 rows. So as you can see here, there is 3 columns and 2 rows. The next one is called split table. Split table means to divide the table into 2 parts. That is called split table. So let me undo first. Split table means to divide the table into 2 parts. Split table. Okay, there is some problem. Okay, let's go to the next page. I will show it here. Split table. Go to layout and click this split table. So in this way a table will be splitted into two parts. This is called split table. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Have a great day.